How to fix Facebook screen size. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix Facebook screen size. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if your Facebook looks like this, a big and not really, the size not matching, and if it looks like that, the problem might not be the screen size. The problem might be that you have changed your settings for the Facebook font and display. So to change that back to default, you can head over to your settings, then go to accessibility, search for accessibility and open that up. Then scroll down all the way. There you'll find an option called per app settings. Tap on that. Now here, if you find Facebook, great. If you don't, tap on add apps and choose Facebook. After you find Facebook right here, open that up. Now under here, you'll find display and text size. Now here you can change everything back to default. So go back to default here. Here you'll find reset font size to default. Tap on that and make sure that everything else is on default as well. Now you can remove your Facebook from the background. Then open your Facebook up again. And there you can see it's now just back to normal. And that's how you fix Facebook screen size issue. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take